Today's complex manufacturing environment runs on data for proper operations, but ensuring data quality, reliability, and accuracy is a never-ending challenge for CDOs and their data teams. Data quality issues can result in production stalls, logistical issues, regulatory compliance, and loss of revenue. Exceldata is your all-in-one data observability solution. It brings visibility into your entire data ecosystem, from first data landing into data transformations, and then throughout data consumption, where your business report and decisions are happening. Be able to quickly identify and resolve data issues before they impact operations, cause downtime, and increase costs. Accelerate and feed your data-driven decision-making with fresh, complete, and trusted data from your entire operations. Always be timely and compliant with improved and streamlined regulatory reporting and compliance filings. Data observability is already helping manufacturing CDOs achieve operational efficiency and grow company revenues. Discover how Exceldata can help